Never shipped. Multiple attempts to contact seller. Etsy refunded me. Incredibly disappointed. Welcome to my Etsy shop reviews. My name is Elisa, and today we're going to see what shops stop my scroll. We're going to go onto Etsy as a buyer and see what shops pop off the page and make me want to stop, shop, try, or just keep passing by. Let's get into the shop reviews and let's help you learn, grow, and succeed in your Etsy shop. In this critique, I will check photo quality, decide if I trust this shop, look at the reviews, see the description, and then I will give my rating. The first shop that I'm doing is Faux by Mo, and this shop visually, when I look at it, it looks appealing. It looks like some art that I may want to purchase. Everything looks really good. The thumbnails are crisp. They're clean, and this is something that I would definitely use in my home if I were shopping for art. This looks like it is prints. I don't know if it is just digital downloads or if it's prints, but let's look deeper into it. Okay, so do I trust this shop? I love the way it looks, but the problem is right here. This is a 1-star shop. So let's see why this is a 1-star shop here. As we go down to the reviews, I can see that you've got a lot of issues here. So first of all, there's a couple 1-star reviews that these items never shipped. Of course, that's by the same buyer. So that's pretty bad because she got you triple whammy. She gave you 3 1-star reviews. But then I go down and here's another person. I spent $100, but the print never came. I was incredibly disappointed, never got my print. I want a refund. I wish I could review, but the print was never received. The order was never sent. Okay, so would I buy now? The trust factor for me has gone down a lot because I can't prove that you're gonna ship my order. So let's look at one of the photos here. So this is an $8 picture. It looks like you offer different sizes, which is really good, but then I need some details. So here I go, I'm looking for details and it says photo print. That's not enough to get me to buy, just details saying photo print, and there's nothing really, okay. Let's see, nothing else here. So then I'm going, and again, these are popping up right in my face. Never shipped. Multiple attempts to contact seller. Etsy refunded me at least. Very sad. Incredibly disappointed. Never got my print. I was so looking forward to it. Okay, I wish I could order them all. Okay, so someone here gave you a 5-star review, but that was in 2021. So what has happened? What has happened in the past few years that in 2024, these reviews are getting so bad? There is no description, so I don't know if you've abandoned this shop. I don't really know what is going on here, but this isn't good. So let's try and find a different print and see if we can rectify some of this here. Okay, I still don't have any item details. It just says BLM. For you guys that don't know, that is for Black Lives Matter. I need more information. So basically, where's the title? Where is the title here? Okay, so there's no item details, no room for fear. Wow, that is title, thumbnail. Title is really not SEO. It's not helping you out at all with SEO. Okay, so let's look at your titles in general. Sunflower Field, that gives me nothing. It doesn't tell me if it's a photo, if it's a print, if it's digital, if it's, I don't know anything else. Super Bowl champs. So, hey, this looks like you might be here because this is recent. So let's look at this. Super Bowl champs, photo print. That's all it says. Okay, so unfortunately, I'm going to have to pass on this shop. And if I had to give it a rating between a 1 and a 5, I would agree with most of the reviews. And unfortunately, I'd have to give you a 1-star review just as the shop has. And I hope that you can take some of this advice and do somewhat better for your customers, for your shop. But this isn't good at all. You have 2,000 sales, but a 1-star shop review rating is not good. And you didn't convince me that these are anything I need to buy other than they look really pretty. But then again, I'm not going to get them according to the other reviewers. So therefore, I have to give you a pass.